University, Government First Aid College and PG Center Shankaranarayana Kundapura Udupi. I am Mohini here with criminal and tortious behavior of insurers and insurer. Now let us see what is tort. A tort is a wrongful act that harms a third party, either an individual or a business. Then let us see in brief. A tort is a wrongful action or omission that harms a person or business, prompting the insured party to seek compensation in civil court. As a result of committing a tort, the guilty person, that is, defendant or tortfeasor, bears a legal liability. Now let us see how is a tort different from a crime. A tort is a violation of common law, civil law, or social norms that lead to another party's personal or financial loss. A crime, on the other hand, is a violation of municipal, state, or federal criminal statutes. Another way to view the difference between tort and crime. A tort wrongs one individual or business, whereas crime does harm to society as a whole. The remedy for a tort is commonly the payment of monetary damages, whereas the remedy for a crime can be a fine or a prison sentence. General liability insurance can provide coverage for monetary damages if you lose a tort case in court. Then, what are the main types of business torts? There are many different kinds of business torts. Some common ones include property torts. You damage someone else's property. Liability torts. Your product or service hurts someone. Dignitary torts. Something you do or say harms a third party's reputation. Infringement torts. You mistakenly or deliberately use another firm's trademark or intellectual property. Negligence. In the course of delivering a service, you fail to meet professional standards, thereby harming your customer. What are the legal remedies for torts? If a third party, either a person or another business, hurts your company, consult an attorney immediately to get advice on how to best seek compensation. If you win the case, a judge will order the defendant to pay you damages. Going to court is also an option if you want to put a stop to ongoing wrongful acts. A judge will do this by issuing a restraining order or injunction. What if you or your company is accused of committing a tort? If you or your company harmed a third party who is now suing you for damages, consult with an attorney immediately. Also notify your insurance company of the incident if you have general liability insurance, a business owner's policy, or an umbrella or excess liability policy. General liability insurance or a business owner's policy, two of the most useful forms of small business insurance, will protect you in the event a court holds you legally liable for someone else's personal, property, or financial loss. Both the policies can cover your legal costs, attorney's fees, court costs, expert witness, and any damages a judge orders you to pay the plaintiff. General liability insurance is what? General liability insurance covers customer injuries, customer property damage, and related lawsuits. It's often required for commercial leases and contracts. Almost every business needs some form of general liability insurance to protect company assets and sign important contracts. Commercial general liability can help some businesses pay for unexpected lawsuits, sign deals with new clients, rent commercial space, and avoid bankruptcy. A policy reassures clients that you will be able to compensate them if you damage their property or injure someone with your work. Most small business owners purchase a policy shortly after starting business. Then, what cover it provides? General liability insurance provides coverage for third party bodily injury, product liability, third party property damage, advertising injuries. So, what is third party bodily injury? If a customer is hurt in an accident involving your business, general liability insurance can help pay for medical expenses. It also covers legal expenses if a customer sues over the injury. Example, a customer trips over a carpenter's toolbox and breaks a leg. The doctor's bill add up fast, so the customer sues to recoup his losses. Your policy can cover the cost of medical expenses, including the emergency room bill. If the customer refuses your assistance and opts to sue at a later date, your policy can help cover the cost of hiring a lawyer. Third party property damage. General liability insurance can cover expenses to repair or replace customer property accidentally damaged by a business. For example, a general contractor backs his pickup truck into a client's fence. Depending on policy limits, general liability coverage can pay for some or all expenses associated with replacing the damaged fence. Product liability. Not all property damage or customer injuries happen inside a store. If a business manufactures, distributes, or sells products, it can be sued over the harm its products cause to people or property. Example, a customer buys a container of a lawn care company's organic fertilizer. After applying it to her lawn, she suffers a serious allergic reaction and misses 3 days of work. Blaming her illness on the fertilizer, she sues the lawn care business for lost wages. A general liability policy can typically cover the legal expenses associated with the product liability lawsuits. Next, advertising injuries, libel, slander, and copyright. If someone sues a business owner or employee over slander, libel, or copyright infringement, general liability insurance can help pay for legal expenses. For example, a maid at your house cleaning company tweets a rude comment about sloppy work done by a competing company. The tweet goes viral, and the owner of the competing business decides to sue for libel. Advertising injury coverage in general liability insurance can help pay for legal defense expenses and settlement for judgment costs when you are sued over advertising mistakes. Remember, general liability insurance does not cover the below given items: professional errors, employee discrimination lawsuits, employee injuries, vehicles used by business, damage to business property. Professional errors, professional liability insurance, also called errors and omissions insurance, can cover lawsuits over professional mistakes. including undelivered services and missed deadlines. For example, a real estate agent accidentally lists a house as having hardwood floors when it really has laminate wood flooring. After the home is sold, the homeowner discovers the error and files a lawsuit. Professional liability insurance could help cover the agent's legal costs. Employee injuries. Workers' compensation insurance is the policy that covers medical expenses, physical therapy, and some lost wages for employees. Example: a cook at a restaurant gets splashed with hot oil and suffers third-degree burns. Workers' comp helps pay for the emergency room bill and part of his missed wages while he recovers. Damage to business property. A business owner's policy, which combines general liability insurance with commercial property insurance, can help cover the cost of replacing stolen business property. It can also pay for repairing or replacing business property damaged by fire or certain weather events. Example: a fire at an office complex damages a tax preparation company. Commercial property insurance can help pay for replacement computers, equipments, and building renovation costs. Employee discrimination lawsuits. Employment practices liability insurance (EPLI) can cover lawsuits expenses related to claims of harassment, discrimination, and wrongful termination. Example: an employee at an engineering business files a lawsuit claiming partners are not assigning her to high profile projects because of her ethnicity. An employee practices liability insurance, that is EPLI policy, could cover legal expenses for the firm. Vehicles used by business. Personal auto insurance policies almost always exclude business use. Vehicles owned by business must be covered by commercial auto insurance. Personal vehicles used for work purposes, along with leased or rented vehicles, can be covered by hired and non owned auto insurance, which you can add to a general liability policy. Example: an IT consultant drawing his car to meet a client gets into an accident. His personal auto insurance policy won't pay for damage, but a hired and non-owned policy would. Now we have come to an end of the topic. So we'll see other things in the next video. Until then, we just will leave each other. Thank you. Thank you for patience.